Hello, my name is Daniel Enrique Gomez Perez. I am 38 years old. I am in English Street. I am a student master in organizational management and I work in the SENA. As a system programmer, I am system engineer. I live in the city of Bogota. I like play to the soccer and go to the gym. I recommended to visit is the Chorro de Quevedo, located in the center of the city of Bogota. It is a historical place and obligatorio if you are in the capital. The Plaza de Chorro de Quevedo is a public place. In the place is established is military guardian Gonzalo Jimenez de Quesada, before found in the city in this same place 1838. Is located on 13th Street and Carrera 2. In the historical center of the city is framed by colonial building and early 13th century. Recommendations: in this place you can enjoy a good Colombian coffee, eat the most delicious meats, or buy souvenirs with the cards that are sold in the place. You must wear a comfortable shorts. Thank you.